Hi, my name is Vang, and I'm from Wauwatosa West High School. My greatest challenge was learning how to roll up mats at ITU. The size of the mats were hard to deal with because they are very long to handle. So I had to make sure to do all the small ones first and leave the bigger ones for last. I am proud of having a job and being on time to work. Joining the GPS program was the best choice of me because I wanted to make sure I graduate and learn the skill to be an independent adult. Both Rocio here always make sure I got my work done, help me with my schedule, and never give up on me. Also, having this small class helped me gain personal confidence and not being so shy because I learned to work with others and the importance of being a part of a team. During the past 2 years while in the GPS program, I have gotten really good at getting my work done in class. Also, I never listen to music anymore while doing my schoolwork. What I really, what I remember most about this past year is how we all got to really know each other because of all the fun things we did together as teams. We built a boat out of the cardboard and raced against each other. Then one time we made paper airplanes and competed with each other to see who made the best airplanes. Mostly I will remember how we always laugh at the things we went through at work and life. After graduation from GPS, I will apply to WCTC and earn an auto mechanic certificate. I'm thankful I am thankful for my mom because she always helped me with my schedule and gave me to work and school on time. Next, I'm thankful to my teacher because they helped me get my work done and helped me find a job at the ITU. Lastly, I am thankful for ITU Absorb Tech for also finding work for me to do. A quote I really like is, even though you even fed up, you're gonna keep your head up. This is what's said by Tupac.